Ditch the phone tag, embrace the future of seamless client communication, and supercharge your business with this integration. First, a quick overview. We're connecting your existing Twilio phone number with Retell AI, giving you intelligent call management and enhanced client experiences. This means less time wasted and more meaningful interactions. Let's dive into the steps. Start by logging into your Retell AI account and navigating to the settings section. Specifically the area labeled integrations or phone numbers. You should be able to see the option to connect phone number. Head over to your Twilio account, make sure you are logged in and select the phone number you want to use or purchase a new one. Now, it's time to copy some information back in Retell AI. You'll see fields for your Twilio account SID, auth token, and the phone number you're connecting. You'll need to find this information on your Twilio dashboard. In your Twilio console, locate your account SID and your auth token. You can often find these on your main dashboard or in the account settings. Then, copy the Twilio phone number you selected. Paste these details into the corresponding fields in your Retell AI account and then click Save or Connect. Congratulations! Your Twilio number is now integrated with Retell AI. Confirm by checking the status display in Retell AI. You should receive a confirmation message indicating the connection was successful. Now, start experiencing the benefits. Retell AI can now automatically answer calls, transcribe conversations, and even route callers to the appropriate agents, improving your calling experience. It's time to connect with your clients on a deeper level. That's all it takes. Simplify your communications and discover the power of Retell AI. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more, and explore the features of Retell AI.